Are you offering your clients the products they deserve? Or are you limited by the products you offer? Now is the time to market Prepaid Legal. Simply put, Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated provides quality benefits that your clients need and deserve. And if you don't provide it for them, someone else will. The insurance industry has been a reality for hundreds of years, which explains why most people don't think twice about having insurance to protect their families and homes. It's become second nature to have car insurance, home insurance, medical insurance, fire insurance, and the list goes on and on. But what many of your clients are missing is coverage for their legal needs. What does this mean to you?
My name is Rick Johnson, and my background is in the property and casualty insurance industry. I represented one of the third largest property and casualty company in the United States. I started my business primarily marketing automobile and home insurance, and along with some life insurance. What happened to me in the beginning was I had heard just enough about Prepaid Legal to say no to it, not enough to say yes. When my business associate actually tried to get me involved in Prepaid Legal, I had a hard time getting down and listening to the story. But he finally got me to meet one of their top marketing people, and I sat down with him and got the full story of Prepaid Legal and began to realize there was truly a big market for this product. It was a product that there was no underwriting involved. It was a product that there was not a lot of service work involved, along with no claim forms. And I began to realize that this is a product that everybody's going to have. It's just a question of who they're going to buy it from. We had also filled a terrific gap. We had a lot of preferred automobile customers in our business. We wanted to take and keep those people, so Prepaid's product would actually help defend speeding tickets around the country. We also, in case of a real serious automobile accident where there was criminal indictment, Prepaid Legal's program would help individuals with that, as well as the biggest thing is we knew for a fact that most of the people we had in our agency did not have a will. If they did have one, it needed to be updated, and here was a product that would take and work for that area in their life as well and help us to lead into the life insurance side of the business. So we thought it's a great product. We started over 7 years ago. And it's just been a wonderful relationship ever since.
The Prepaid Legal Services membership provides legal access to caring and professional law firms for North Americans for a monthly fee of $26 or less. Prepaid legal plans were introduced in Europe over 70 years ago, and now 80% of Europeans have prepaid legal coverage. Less than 1% of North Americans have a prepaid legal membership. USA Today said, "To us, it sounds like healthcare coverage before it turned into a trillion-dollar industry. Just imagine if you could have been in the right place at the right time when everyone realized the need for insurance. Right now, you're in that perfect position with Prepaid Legal Services. And we all know that being in the right place at the right time is everything. Far too often, protecting your legal rights is a financial decision. It's a system where access is not equal. Instead, it's expensive and usually only granted to people with a lot of money or given to people with no money. Unfortunately, this system effectively excludes 80% of us from getting the legal advice, representation, and protection that we need. Well, Prepaid Legal Services Incorporated is changing the system. At Prepaid, we believe equal access should not be a financial issue. To us, equal access means giving everyone the opportunity to use the services of a lawyer whenever they need to. The Wall Street Journal recognized the need for prepaid legal plans when they wrote, "There is legal aid for the poor and private attorneys for the rich." But until now, we've never had anything for the working middle class. Thanks to prepaid legal plans, this group is finally able to afford legal services. The American Bar Association President, William W. Falsgraf, stated, "The ABA endorses the concept of prepaid legal plans 100%. Prepaid Legal Services of Ada, Oklahoma is the industry leader for providing legal coverage for North Americans. The company is publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange with phenomenal sales growth, experienced leadership, serious financial stability, and virtually no competition. A company rated the 33rd fastest growing company on the New York Stock Exchange by Equities Magazine in 1999. A company rated by Money Magazine as the 13th hottest company in America, ahead of companies like Microsoft. A company featured in Fortune as one of America's fastest growing companies.